Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 52 of 90 days. I'll show you, it is the 27th of August right now. And the last couple of days have been carnival, and I've been to a few events. So, Monday I didn't trade because of carnival. Yesterday, I did trade, but I traded mostly from my bed, and the trades itself weren't bad, but overall execution wasn't the best. This is how we finished the day. We took first trade was like a mini scalp. It was poor position, so I closed out. Then I took one losing position. It's a valid loss. Then I took another. That was the one losing position. Then that was a valid loss there. And then this was my main position for the day. He's here, but I didn't let him run all the way to TP. I closed before TP, and so that's poor execution on my part. And then I tried to re-enter the same trade instead of just waiting and seeing it where it hung up. But it was very. It was like 0.3 of total risk. It's like, one of those. But the trade did play out fully, but I didn't let it run all the way to TP, I think. Yeah, but anyways, right now I am very much happy to get back into routine. Very much happy to get back into routine. I didn't go gym Monday, didn't go gym Tuesday. Tuesday was mostly just a recovery day, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. So I've actually done my morning marker. I'm gonna show you guys what I am looking for today. I'm not 100% as of right now. Like, I've got a few sort of scenarios that could play out. But I'm gonna get right back into this. And for the whole month of September, we are locked in, my friendings. We are definitely locked in. I'm not going out anymore. I'm not going out not once. My bank account hurts, my liver hurts, my brain hurts, my body hurts, everything hurts. Everything hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking for today. Okay guys, I've tried to make this video like 3 times now, but I keep getting my words jumbled up. So starting from the 4 hour, we are currently bullish, right? But we've started to expect these break and retest areas from this kind of bearish move, right? So there's 2 scenarios ideally I'm looking for right now. So you see how we've had this rejection, engulfing break of this resistance level. It's very similar. It's the same level on the 1 hour. If we come into this resistance level, I'd then be looking for shorts into 3365, because this is the next reclaimed level of support, which may be used to then go long. So similarly, on the other hand, if we then come into this reclaimed level, I'd be looking to go long into 3380 to 3385, depending on what structures formed up here, and what it looks like on the 1 hour, on 4 hour, sorry. Yeah, so those would be my 2 scenarios. So longs from here, shorts from here. Yeah, we're just kind of waiting and seeing where price wants to go. I'll let you guys know if anything changes, or if an alert goes off. I'm going to put a longs alert here, shorts alert up here, and just wait for price to play out. Okay guys, I'm now in a trade. We came up into this 1 hour / 4 hour resistance I was talking about, that was reclaimed by the engulfing on the 4 hour. We then came up into the level, rejected. I'll go down to the 1 minute so I can show you guys. We began to reject, and then we rejected and engulfed, got in right here. Stop loss is just above the level, just in case you want to come deeper into the level. Originally my stop loss was here at 3384.5. I just gave it a little bit of breathing room because it was small stop loss anyways. Yeah, so yeah, we had the rejections on engulfing, so we just have to wait and see what price wants to do now. TP1 is at 3365. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm in the position in a bit of drawdown right now, but we'll let it play out and see what comes. I'll let you guys know SL or TP as per. Okay, so SL hit pretty quickly. I'll leave it 10 minutes and come back. I've had a loss, just as what it is. Okay, guys, I actually got a re-entry on this position. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Okay, so after my 10 minutes, we closed back below this area, coming into this 30-minute area of resistance, but we haven't of support, but we haven't invalidated this overall area here, right? So as we closed back below here, we came back up to this original level, rejected and engulfed, and then we got in the trade, right? But there is this, we're coming up to it now, this level here that price might want to touch upon. So if we do get a reaction from here, I'm gonna take another entry and then close out my lower entries. SL is just above this zone. Here we rejected and engulfed. That is what made this area here valid. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see. And I'll let you guys know if I get another entry or if this is just a position and we hit SL or we hit TP. Cool. Okay guys, I'm in a bit of a sticky predicament because as I told you guys, as we came up to the second area, wait, I'll just show you, hold on. So as we came up to this area, which is what I was looking at next, we got the rejection and engulfing, so I entered again, but we've gone straight into my SL. We didn't have a chance to come down to here to take out my first position, as you can see. So I think we're gonna end up losing double what we're supposed to. So yeah, but I'm just letting you guys know. Hopefully we can come down before, even if it's taken out. If not, then no, then yeah. But just letting you guys know. Okay, guys, so that trade did hit SL with both my positions on. I can't double up on positions when I'm already like when I'm fighting a trend. That's what I was doing. I was fighting a bullish trend. And then I did enter a third position, third trade after that. So we ended up the day, believe it or not, 4R down. Not the greatest. My process hasn't been the greatest. I got to snap back into it. Not a single win on that. Look at that, horrible for today. My process has not been greatest. I think my first issue with today was the fact that I'm trading against a very obvious trend. Very obvious and very powerful trend actually. So yeah, going into tomorrow, we're gonna hopefully snap back into everything, snap back into routine properly. I haven't even been to the gym today. I'm still gonna go. I'm gonna eat. I've got some chicken, potatoes, and avocado here. I'm gonna eat, and then I don't want to go during the rush though, but I might just have to. I'm gonna head to the gym and get back into routine, get back into structure, get back into everything. Yeah, not the greatest for me, poor execution. But yeah, not the greatest. But we are kind of snapping back into it, hopefully, and getting back into our routine, getting back into free compliments trading, which starts with the trend. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and then head out in a bit. Okay guys, I made it out of the house to go gym, so well done me. I might just turn around though. I really wouldn't go home, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just not feeling it. Like I'm going through a lot of stuff, feeling a lot of things, I don't know. I don't know man. But yeah, I made it out of the house, so it's just all good. Okay guys, I'm finished with the gym. Just got some potatoes on my way back. But I'm gonna end the day off here. It is day 53 and this is the end of day 53 and I'll catch you lot tomorrow. So as I said before, not a great day for process, but we're snapping back into routine, snapping back into, and hopefully I'll get to a point where my routine doesn't have to be so rigid, but I can still trade with discipline, like, do you get what I'm saying, like fully. Yeah, not a horrible day. Nah, not a good day for discipline, not a good day for process, I would say. But yeah, and look how late I went to the gym today, guys. It's like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I went at 7 o'clock. It's because I really was not trying to go, but I'm happy I've gone now, because as of tomorrow I can be back in my gym from early, get that banged out in the middle of the day before 12, and then back into a system. So yeah, I'll chat you lot tomorrow. Guys, it's been a lot, man. Yeah, I'll chat you lot tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 53 of 90 days. Before I show you my markup, there is something I just wanted to say. Number one, yesterday and even on Monday, I broke the plan. More so yesterday, I broke the plan. In terms of daily loss, I even because I added to the position, I was already at my max daily loss, and then I took a position. And it was counter trade, so I do need to be doing 100 push-ups. I woke up this morning and realized, you need to do 100 push-ups. I just completely forgot about it, because I've been so out of routine. But I've also realized that August, though my chart work has been somewhat disciplined, I think me as a person, and I think a lot of what I've been getting up to hasn't been so disciplined. We've still got a month left of challenge after this week, and the aim is to get as disciplined as possible, stick to routine on and off the charts, and just bang it out and make the most of the last month and see what can actually come. I think I've had amazing growth over this period, and it's only been 2 months, but I've had amazing growth. I want to build a system that can work even when I'm not being watched, or even when no one's watching me. Because when no one's watching me, when I'm not recording, it's not, sometimes it's like I'm just like a bit slack, do you know what I'm saying? I still do what I need to do, but Carnival weekend, Rebel, and I went out to another event. I was just going out too much. But yeah, it is what it is. It was August, so yeah, gotta switch back into it. I gotta switch back into strict Zion mode, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I am looking for today, because yeah, this is what we do. This is the routine. So yeah. Okay, so starting from the 4 hour, we are 100% bullish. High, low, high, low. We've broken above this resistance area here, and we're having a retest. On the 1 hour, if I can show you guys, we broke below, then had it as resistance for a bit, then broke back above. So ideally, what my brand new setup for today is a retest of this zone to go long into 3305. Go long into 3305, which is on. We have this it's actually kind of a major resistance zone, but yeah. But if we are with the trend today, it is likely we could see 3305, and then extended targets towards. Let's just zoom out for a second. Extended targets here towards 3325, 3335, and then wherever Price wants to go after that, I don't know. But that is what I'm looking for. As of right now, our level is still intact, so hopefully we can get a pullback to go long. So yeah, that is what we're looking for today. I will be chilling, gonna eat my breakfast, then head to the gym, really get back into the swing of things, and I'll let you guys know if and when any of that goes off, or if anything changes. You guys know the drill. I know the drill. Let's keep the drill pumping. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll shout you up. Okay, guys, I'm heading to the gym now. Price is having a reaction from 3395. So if we get the hourly close above 3400, I'll look for a retest there to go continue long into 3305, 3405, sorry, and beyond. It's not a very good position though, 3305. Anyways, it depends. I'm gonna wait and see what the close is saying, and then I'll get back to you. But I'm heading to the gym now. Okay, guys, that is day 53's gym session done. Gonna go home, have my post-gym snack, protein shake, and just chill. I'll give you guys an update on the charts. I haven't taken a trade yet. Well, I have, but I haven't taken a trade yet. So I'm gonna give you an update on the charts when I get home. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I need this to work out clearly. I'll be back, man. Okay, guys, nothing has set up as of yet. I'm home, by the way, just me and my post-gym snack. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm looking at right now. Oh shit. Okay, let me just show you guys. Okay, so we broke above this sort of level here, and I was gonna take a trade from that level there. But it was right at the high, so I said no. But what I've just seen now is that we've respected this level, which is also this level after the break. And we've essentially respected that and continued the trend. So what I'm now looking for is a break. I was still looking for this to come down here. At first I was looking for this level, but it didn't hold. So then I was like, okay, cool, it has to be this level. And I've now seen that it's actually this level that is respected. So if and when we've got 35 minutes to the end of this close. So if we now get a close above here, I'll be looking for a retest going to 3310. Yeah. That's so jarring, man. Maybe I should have just taken it from earlier. That's why I was like, what the fuck is, what the fuck? Yeah, I think I've missed that one, I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah, here's what it is. Just gonna eat my post gyms. That is so annoying. No, no, you're waiting for me all day and it just does not line up for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the close and then look for a retest, and yeah, that's me for now. So yeah, I'll let you guys know if and when. Okay, guys, I got into a trade before my zone. I added an extra position by accident. Got into another trade, which actually was a good trade, but it tagged me out and then went straight to my TP. So I got whipped out on that. So I lost a little bit more than I was supposed to, and also I lost more than I was supposed to because of the extra position. So I'll show you guys. Look, the first one had the extra position, and that wasn't a good trade, anyways. And then I also added an extra position on this one because I thought it was actually a valid trade. So I was like, let me just match the size, but I got whipped out. So that's just a reminder: don't just keep to the rules, because even when it is a valid trade, it can still go wrong. Like you can still get whipped out and go straight to profit, straight into your take profit. That's exactly what I did. I got whipped out, went straight to my take profit. The first one was FOMO right before my zone because of not taking that first trade from the zone we spoke about. I started the day the 33951 into the 3305 to 3310 zones. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna do my 100 push-ups. This is my 100 push-ups for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and I'm drawing a blank slate over this week. I'm just gonna start again. Like September is coming, and I'm just gonna show myself and prove to myself that consistency is also coming. So yeah, we're gonna get to these. I'm actually so vexed, bro. I hate doing them, bro, all my life. Hopefully September we don't get one set of push-ups that we have to do. I'm so mad. But yeah, I'm gonna set everything up and get to just doing it. Just gonna do it. Okay, guys, I done 100 push-ups. I'm done for the day. This is the end of day 53. New start, man. Fresh start. Let's come to the end of the month. One more day left of the month. We'll do our review, and then we'll check back in with each other just before September starts. Final month of this 90 days challenge. The aim being to become a disciplined trader by the end of this 90 days. I'm very much getting there, but there's definitely a lot more I need to do. Be a lot more selective. Be a lot more okay with not trading every day. If there's something it's like, it's fine, don't trade. When something is like, it's more likely to go in your, when you're like, this is smooth, it's so much more likely to go in your favor. So much more likely to work out. It's so much more likely to be a profitable trade. It's the trades that you're like, I'm not really too sure about. It's trades that you're staring at, that you know you're not meant to be in this one. Yeah, the less of those we can get, and when we've cut them out completely, and only trades we're like, yeah, clean. I planned for this, and this happened. Is the trades we want to be in that align with our free confidence rules. So for September, we're gonna again, like, we're gonna hone in on really choosing that and choosing that. If I'm not sure, it's fine. I'm not trading. I'm not chasing. I'm not trading. I'm not chasing. If I take 2 trades in a week, then that's what it is. I take two trades in a week. And if those 2 trades in a week, they both give me a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 10 Do you get what I'm saying? And I finished the week 10 Do you get what I'm saying? So it's only trades we're like 100% yes, that we're gonna take. No scarcity mindset. And when we see our setups play out, and when we see our plan play out, we take those as well. Again, no scarcity mindset. We're not scared to lose, and we don't care if we win. But the aim is to win. That's what we're all here for. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, that is the end of day 53. I'm gonna eat, do a little bit of back testing, and then just chill for the rest of the day. It is 5:30, so call that a 9 to 5. But yeah, I'm out, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 54 of 90 days. I'm going to get straight into it and show you guys what I'm looking for the morning. Okay, so starting from the 4 hour, we are very much bullish. As you can see, we've broken above this high and also this resistance area here, which also lines up very nicely with this daily resistance zone. I'll show you. So you've had a daily close above there as well. It's this one here. And then again on the 1 hour, if I zoom out, I'll be able to show you guys on the 1 hour. You can see this had this resistance, break up, break down, like, and then finally a break above a bullish engulfing against this minor resistance zone here. So essentially looking for a retest of here to go long into 3320 to begin with, and 3325, and so yeah, 3320 as looking at this high, then 3330, and yeah, we'll just see what price wants to give after that. The aim of today and the rest of September is literally very much less is more. We're gonna have hopefully have a lot more trading days where we're not trading at all, because price doesn't, even if price doesn't look good, we're not going to be trading. If I can't clearly tell the trend, if I can't clearly tell POIs, I'm not going to be trading until I can. I'm not going to be zooming in. Like, I need a wider view in order to catch these nice moves. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm literally gonna just chill for a bit, and while this sort of sets up, set an alert. No alert, no entry. But yeah, as I was saying, less is more. Less is definitely more. I want to be taking a lot less trades. maybe not a traded day. Only if setups come will I be taking a trade. Very clean setup, so I'm like, this makes sense. And then if it doesn't, it's okay, but I have confidence in the fact that it will work. That's how I get my win rate up. That's how I get longevity in this game. Yeah, I'm just gonna set an alert and I'm gonna wait and just see what's going on. I'm out. Okay guys, I just finished my workout on the day and I finally got some progress pictures, so I will be putting them at the end of the week for like roundup. But I need to get better shorts because my bottom half doesn't show as nicely as I'd like there was a lot of like growth there, but it doesn't really show because my shorts are a bit baggy. So hopefully I can get some. I have some really, I just have to wear different shorts, especially when I'm taking the pictures. But yeah, my body looks alright, I guess. Anyways, I've got I'm on my way home. I'm gonna have my post gym snack and protein shake, and also what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, no alert. So we haven't done anything as of yet, and I'll let you know if and when. But yeah, I'm out. Okay guys, price reacted from the first zone, and I'm just gonna leave it today for the day. Like reacted from the first zone, went to my TP. I'm just gonna leave it for the day, and note this in my log tomorrow that in terms of position size that when there's a valid zone and price starts to react at that zone, where it's a POI and price starts to react at a POI, trade the POI. Don't just ignore the POI because it's not the POI you want. Price isn't going to do what you want it to do. Price is going to do what price wants to do every single time. So if you see price starting to break low time frame structure, giving rejections, giving engulfings, that is your trade. If it's in your bias, with your bias, it's a valid POI, you've marked it out yourself, then that is your trade. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm going to definitely note this in my log for tomorrow, but I'm going to call it a day for day 54, and I'll shout you lot tomorrow, man. I'm out. Hello guys, it is currently Sunday and it is 5 o'clock, and I have just finished my weekly review and my monthly review. I'm going to insert pictures of both so you guys can see our overall stats for the month. This month I think was a lot less disciplined than I'd say the first month, just because my life outside of the charts was a lot less disciplined, in the sense that I was going out a lot. There was a lot of events happening. I was looking back in fairly like quickly, but pretty much every week in August I was doing something, and then Carnival weekend I was like busy and kind of like carried me into this whole week. So it's kind of been a bit of a rocky month. But overall, tomorrow is the 1st of September. Now, it will be the start of week 9 for us, and the start of the third quarter. Is it third quarter? The fourth third of the year, right? So we got September, October, November, December. My birthday's in November. This will be long done before then, but my point being is, from September to December, the winter months, I really feel like as we gear towards the end of the year, I really want to focus on becoming the best trader I possibly can. Like, I want to be a trader. I'm so proud to say I'm that trader, if that makes sense, and a trader that other people can kind of look up to and respect as a trader. So yeah, and a trader that can help people overall. So that is my focus from now until the end of this challenge 1, and then also the end of this year. I think from the start of where we started, I think the growth has been immense. It has, from day 1 to now, it's crazy. And we've definitely made leaps and bounds, but there's so much more work to do, and there's so much more I can look in. I feel like September, for one, is definitely going to be a repetitive month, as in it may become boring because we kind of have the foundation set of what we want to do and who we want to be, and the strategy and the psychology. Like, we have pretty good framework, right? So it's going to be one of those boring ones, but I feel like it's going to be transformative in the sense that everything kind of ties together now. I've seen what it's like to trade when your life is all over the place, like you don't have a straight thing. Like, even personal things in my life was happening, and it was a lot. It was a lot, August, but I feel like we've now built a foundation where September can really thrive. And I feel like even past September, I feel like we've built such a foundation that it's like there's no way I cannot succeed. And I think I'm obviously going to still be recording like certain bits and bobs, like certain days here and there, after this challenge is over. But I feel like by the end of the year, as a bigger picture, I feel like I would have really started to build some like monetary traction. Right now I'm just like, let me show you guys. This is what we're closing the balance on for this week. There was a lot of missed opportunities this week. I feel like I want to say because of the carnal thing, but I saw a lot of these opportunities. I think I was a bit skeptical because like, I was trying to be overly disciplined because my outside life wasn't listening, so I wasn't thinking clearly. Like, these are levels that I've marked out, that having a reaction, having a shift, and I'm not taking trades. So it's like counterproductive. Anyways, so we closed this week minus 5R down. And we closed this month up 0.5R. So we had a really good week around the third week or the second week of this month. We had a really, really good week, and we was being so selective, and that is the kind of environment I want to bring into going into this is what we're closing on for the month of August. I'm gonna keep that, and I'm also gonna I'll put a picture of it so you guys can see as well. And we're just gonna see how we go now. We're just gonna see how we go. That week there was amazing. Like, there was days I didn't take a trade, but the trades I took were like elite. Like, I waited, just trusted my levels, trusted myself, trusted the strategy, trusted everything, and everything came together, and it was so evident in the practice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to continue to backtest, just getting an extra reps. Do you know what I'm saying? Because I truly believe and truly want to believe I can be, and truly want to be the best trader I possibly can. And I truly believe I can be a really good trader. I believe I'm making the steps to become an amazing trader, and that's not egotistical. And the results don't necessarily show that, but I feel like it's only a matter of time. So I need to put in that extra mile. Do you get what I'm saying? Whilst I'm building muscle memory, whilst I'm building trust in my system, whilst I'm building trust in myself. Yeah. But all in all, hasn't been a terrible month. Ended up break even for the month. And we break even for the month. So, which is also good because it means that our wins are not destroying our losses are not destroying our wins. So we're catching from really strong wins, and our losses are not destroying them. So now it's to decrease the losses by being more selective, and increase the wins by being more selective, and holding our wins for as long as possible, and cutting our losses as quick as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna go and back test, and I'll catch you lot tomorrow. We're locking in for September. September the 1st is on a Monday, and it is going to be week 9 of this 90-day challenge. And yeah, it's going to be good, guys. It really is. I can't wait for the end of September, because I really do think it's like we're switching, we're growing, and we're finding our feet. We really are finding our feet. So yeah, I'm gonna shout you lot tomorrow. Well, it'll be in the next vlog, but yeah, I'll shout you lot for the start of week 9. Man, I'm out.